Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we just gonna get straight into this video, right? So this is my client, my beautiful client. She brought her hair to me and I'm just putting on her hair right now. So this hair is from tinashehair. I do not remember the specs of the hair. This video is from sometime last year. I don't even remember when, but it's so long ago. I did this hair so long ago. Yeah, so I colored it this beautiful highlight type of honey blonde type color, and it came out really cute. Yeah, so as y'all saw, I did a ball cap for her. I do a ball cap for all my clients, and now I'm just cutting the ear tabs off her ear. I mean the lace, not the ear. Yes, the lace. And then yeah, I feel like y'all already know majority of the steps, what to do, all of that. So I'm not gonna be talking too much. I'm gonna just let y'all watch. Everything's self-explanatory, and yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. So the glue I used is bowl hold, and y'all want to make sure you use 3 to 5 layers of glue depending on how long you want the wig to stay on. Yes, y'all, look at how the lace just disappears. Oof. Y'all want to make sure when you are buying lace, you get the correct lace for your skin tone. My client got transparent lace. All her installs I've done on her have been transparent lace because she is light skinned. If you're light skinned, I'd recommend transparent or HD lace. If you are brown skin, you could get away with medium brown or even light brown, and then dark skin, medium brown. But really and truly, I know a couple stylists don't like dark skins or like brown skins to bring transparent lace, but me personally, I love it because I can match the lace to your skin tone, and it's just much easier. Y'all, look at this color. This was from 1B. This is not 613 hair. Nope. It is 1B, and I got it to this nice type. It's like an ash blonde type color. You know, it's giving me ash blondie vibes, highlights, different browns in there and all that. But yeah, if y'all would like to see me color hair, comment down below. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not even as confident coloring hair, but I'm getting there. everything I do on myself is what I do on my clients. So if you've watched my 2 previous videos, you would know what I was talking about plucking. You're gonna need to pluck your wig for it to look natural. But can we look at this install, baby? I'm not even close to done. Ain't even did the baby hairs yet, and this John looking fire. Like I told y'all, this video was recorded last year. I'm gonna say, I don't know, before September. It was recorded before September. So my routine for baby hairs, everything has changed. Like how I install my hair now, how I do my baby hairs, etc., etc. So what I'm doing now are the baby hairs. But one thing I would say that has changed with how I do my baby hairs are I don't do them that long no more. She had like a lot of forehead space, so it wasn't that bad. But I used to notice like I would do baby hairs really long, and it don't really look natural. It don't look as natural. So I kind of cut them a little bit shorter, depending on what look it is, you know. But yeah, right now I'm just doing the baby hairs, and we decided to go for extra dramatic baby hairs. What I love. So what I'm doing right now is just straightening her hair. I go section by section. I do the chase and comb method. And what y'all see me spraying is the Cream of Nature Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Mist. It's like a shine mist and heat protectant. Now I'm just going in with my Melt Effect wax stick, and I'm going section by section again, and then I'm gonna hot comb it and then flat iron it, and that just makes it like really flat if you go section by section. y'all see the difference of how flat it is? Yep, I see it, so I know you can see it for sure. Yo, Scout, is that you? That you, bro? Now I'm just combing the baby hairs out. You can leave it just like that and go, but I like combing it out because it gives it the fluffy look, and I prefer the fluffy look than like the stuck down look. And now I'm just plucking some baby hairs out. If your baby hairs was too thick, you could go ahead and pluck it out. But y'all, please, please, you can't tell me that's not her hair. Like, look at it. But we're coming towards the end of the video right now, and yeah, the rest of the clip, I don't know where it went. I lost it. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you like more videos of my clients and stuff, please comment that down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.